So, hello everyone, John here. We have another problem related to trigonometry, and the problem says that you have a figure basically over here. This is a right angle. This is 90 degrees, and this is the length of this side is 16. The length of this side is x, and this is basically 40 degrees. So now you're supposed to basically approximate the length of x based on this figure. So you know that this side is 16. 16 units, whatever the unit is, and this is x units, and this is 40 degrees. So how could you basically calculate this? The way to do this, you need to find some trigonometric ratios that's about the basically the opposite side and the basically the adjacent side. So if you take sine would be basically opposite divided by the hypotenuse, which is not what we want. If you go for cos would be adjacent by hypotenuse. So this is x divided by this hypotenuse, but we don't have the hypotenuse, so that's not what we can use. But if you go for tan would be, let me see. If you have sine x or sine theta, which is opposite by hypotenuse. If you go for cos theta, then you have adjacent by hypotenuse. Is that right? Right. So if you go for tan theta would be basically sine theta by cos theta. And sine theta by cos theta in this case is this whole thing divided by this whole thing, and then you would end up with opposite by adjacent. If you cannot remember all of them, you can basically if you know the basic, if you basically know sine and cos, then you can calculate the rest of them based on what you know about sine and cos. In this case, I knew sine and cos, and then I calculated tan based on sine and cos, and it's opposite by adjacent. So it means that basically in this case, so then tan, let's call this angle theta, or I'll just call it tan 40 degrees, is equal to opposite by adjacent, so 16 divided by x. So this means that x into tan 40 degrees is equal to 16. Tan 40 degrees into x is equal to 16, or x is equal to 16 divided by tan 40 degrees. So that's basically the value of x. Now you can get a calculator, something like this, or your own scientific calculator, whatever you use, and you can write I'm not very familiar with this calculator, but let's try 16 divided by but the problem is it's not possible to no, it doesn't work this way. Okay, so let's calculate for tan 40 first. It's There's 10. 1040 is approximately 0.839. So it's basically equal to 16 divided by 0.839. And because it's an approximation, I use the approximation sign. 16 divided by 0.839. And now you can calculate it, basically 16 divided by 0.839, which is 19.07. Approximately equal to 19.07 units, whatever the unit is. So x is 19.07. I'm not sure if, let's check if we haven't. Yeah, that's correct. So that's how you basically do these kind of problems. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.